would like to welcome you all to the grand event of National Seminar and Award Distribution Program in the Kohinoor Continental, which is organized by the National Education Human Resource Development Organization, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Here you go. What's the full form of NEHDO?
National Education Human Resources Development Organization.
हम सबके दिल में बस एक ही चाह है कि कब हमें जो है मिस्टर जी की आवाज़ सुनने का मौका मिलेगा।
जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे, मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे।
मोहब्बतों में दिखावे की दोस्ती न मिला, मोहब्बतों में दिखावे की दोस्ती न मिला, अगर गले नहीं मिलता तो हाथ भी न मिला।
Khan Aisha Raziullah, the student of Standard 8 from Al-Ittihad Urdu High School, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Congratulations for winning the award of National Excellence Award. Next, I will be inviting Mrs. Karari Rizwana Mohammad Junaid, the respected teacher from Al-Ittihad Urdu High School, Mumbai, Maharashtra, winning the award of National Excellence Award. Next awardee, we have Mrs. Khan Reshma, the respected teacher from Al-Ittihad Urdu High School, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and she's been awarded with the National Excellence Award. Congratulations. Mr. Sheikh Anwar Ul Haq, he's right here, the respected principal of Al-Ittihad Urdu High School, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and he's been awarded with the National Excellence Award.